Hello everyone. To record while streaming in NSCaster, go to the output and click the gear button. Tick Flash RTMP and do the setting. Inside here, select the encoder you want. In the record property, tick record. After that, select the format MP4 or FLV. Then browse the directory you want to save. After that, click OK. Write your file name here. If it's empty, it will auto-generate for you. So let's go to add RTMP address. In this video, I'll be using YouTube to stream. Copy the URL and paste here. Copy the stream key into here. Once you're done, click OK. To start streaming, click on this icon. You can check your streaming status here. As you can see, the recorded file is here when we start streaming. So let's stop streaming and check for our recorded file. The recorded file is in MP4 format and can be played. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed the video.